So my 21st century skills. Hi, how are you doing? I'm checking here my skills. I'm learning what I need to do to improve. So how are you doing? So in this class we have gone for several phases. Now we are ready to go and move forward and start creating a brand, since now we understand who we are, what you do, and who are our clients. So in order to create a brand, the first thing you have to do is think about your tagline. What will be your tagline? It's the ultimate, you have to think about three things. What is the ultimate benefit I want my customer to gain? What I want somebody to gain from me? For example, I am a teacher. I will expect that my ultimate goal is the person learn, right? How will my product make my customer life better? So you have to think about that again. If I am a professor, I believe that the skills that the person is receiving from me in the classes I'm practicing will make their life better once they apply. They can find jobs and they will increase the earning potential. So that's the way I make people life better. And the third question will be, why is my business better than my competition? What I do differently that people will come to me and not to others? And that's the third thing. Maybe I'm more engaged, I give them more information, I do more research, so my statements are based on research. Whatever you do, you have to state it in your tagline. Okay? So it's three things that I want you to think in order to create your tagline. And your tagline will be only one or two sentences. So what is the benefit that people will gain for you? What will be, why you make the people life better? And the third one will be what you do better than the competition. And that's the reason we have been in this week. We have analyzing the why, we have analyzing who you are, why you do things the way you do. We have analyzing your skills, we have analyzing your environments, and we also analyzing your unique selling position when we discuss the opportunities and challenge. The USP, that's what it is. That's what you have to focus when you do your branding. What is your USP, your unique selling position? And based on that, you start looking for your people. Now, in order to create your brand statement, usually it's one or two sentences. It's not the story of your life. No, it's very close, very short, sweet, and people can remember that. It's not your mission. That's a key. It's not a mission. It's not your job title. It's not your career goals. It's not your life purpose. It's very simple and focus on the other person, not focus on you. That's information. So in order to focus in the other person, in the person you will provide the service or the product, you need to know that audience, the person you want to attract to your life. You need to know the audience and what you bring to the table to that audience and what they are getting for you. So you have to be very consistent in who you are and what experience you are, your skills, and what you bring in your table, and that will be your tagline. I have put it in the materials a list of taglines to give you an example of possible taglines that I pull out from our website. This is an example. This person say, I help businesses and individuals build and promote lasting brands. You see, very short, so you know what the person does is a branding, help business, individuals to build their brands. Now this is another example. It says, I help people to transform their businesses, their careers, and their lives. Wow, this looks like a life coach, transform your business, your career, and the life. Three things. Good. This is me. I came out with this. I help students learn better and be confident about their abilities. That's what I do. That will be my tagline. So now I want you to create your tagline. That will be your last assignment. And I want you to put it in the discussion board and introduce yourself with your tagline. And with this, we finish this class, and I hope you learn a lot in this first week. In the second week, we will work about LinkedIn and how to create your LinkedIn profile and brand it. Okay, so I will see you next week, and I hope you enjoy this class.